Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create HDR effect to sharpen and smoothen our photo using Lightroom mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to open my edit in Lightroom mobile app, and I'm going to show you how we can create the HDR effect to sharpen and smoothen our photo. Okay, first of all, we need to go to the editing tools right here, and we're going to go to the light, and I'm going to activate the HDR mode. I'm going to click on this toggle button to activate it, and then I'm going to go to the color and then adjust the vibrance and the saturation. Okay, just like this. You can increase it a little bit, then go to the detail, and I'm going to increase the sharpening. Oops. Increase the amount, and then I'm going to make it around 100. Okay, and I'm going to increase the detail as well, and I'm going to go to the color noise and increase it, then increase the smoothness and the detail. Okay, now it's complete, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to apply HDR effect to make our photo become sharper and smoother. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.